Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your report elements. If you've set your report sections to include more than one column, you can change the width of your charts. All you have to do is go into your report, then select the elements you want to expand or compress by clicking on this checkbox right here. Then you click on the Actions menu, and then you can select Expand or to compress the chart. Your changes will be saved immediately. As you can see here, we've now compressed the chart. We can now expand it again by doing the same action. This time we can click Expand. If you want to copy a chart, you also click the checkbox, click at the Actions menu, and select Copy. Then a copy of the selected elements will appear at the end of the report, as you can see here. And if you no longer need a report element, you can delete it, of course. And all you have to do for that is select the checkbox of the chart you want to delete, click the Actions menu, and choose Delete. The selected element will be deleted immediately. You also have the option to move charts or also sections for a better overview. To do that in the easiest way, you go and select List right here. And then via the Actions menu, you can choose, for example, to move elements. Then you can choose, for example, to move this down here and then back. Click Done. But with the Actions menu, you also have the option to move sections of your report. You can then just via drag and drop change the order of the sections here. Then you can change it back, and you're back in your report. And this is how you can manage your report elements.